Alright, it's going. This is awesome.
Oh, that was good.
Oh man.
Freaking loud.
I love these things.
Well, we have to get the front light.
Yeah.
We're not gonna. Are we gonna?
Oh, maybe we will.
So far, all I've been seeing is that cloud to cloud lighting.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm getting all this.
Whoa. I'm just waiting for the power to go out.
That's not going to try anything like that.
When the lightning hits, it's like daylight.
Yeah.
This is good thunder too.
Yeah.
Oh!
Wow.
You saw that?
Yep. Ooh.
Oh, this is fucking cool.
Let's stop. Let's see.
It's a good thing YouTube doesn't care if there curses on this thing.
I care.
Besides, only people we know are gonna see it anyways.
Who want to see this? I want people to watch this. This is awesome.
I'm gonna go check the radar and see where this is going.
Well, I'd say right over our house right about now. Ooh. Oh!
There we go.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I've been filming this entire time.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's still coming closer. Whoa! Whoa!
It's a good thing I'm not afraid of thunder anymore, otherwise I wouldn't be able to film this.
I know. Wow.
What I missed?
That was like, it sounded like bowling for
Bowling for hamburgers.
bowling for trees. I don't know.
Come on, bolts.
And Zeus is up there.
Damn right he is. We should play some AC/DC in the background, shouldn't we?
Yeah, I'm on a highway to hell.
Oh, I wonder if I can do that.
No, just...
If I can upload this video onto like Media Player and have and record AC/DC
Oh,
over
okay.
the thunder.
Yeah, let's...
That'd be cool.
What's going on over there?
I didn't get in the way, did I?
No.
No.
No, it's basically the same. I'll just stay over here.
Is that the Zoom thing?
Yeah.
It sneaks up on you sometimes.
This is awesome.
There goes the power.
Oh!
Alright, I got it on film.
What, the power went out?
Yeah.
I told you it was gonna go out.
Hang on.
Oh shit, doesn't that mean that the alarm's gonna go off?
Yeah, when the power comes back, but whatever.
No, but the alarm's not... Oh, I don't know. The alarm isn't set, so I don't know.
Who cares? This is awesome.
Oh wait, no, that was also because the door was open.
Oh, you got your wish now. See, look what you did.
Sure, blame it on me.
Hey, I want to film other places. I'm gonna...
Try filming out front, maybe.
Yeah.
See if there's anything good out there.